Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one again is in the healthcare field. Today is just healthcare day. I feel like I gained a lot of subscribers from my healthcare videos, so a lot of you are looking for healthcare positions, and I haven't posted as many lately, so I am just catching up here. Of course, as always, if you're interested in putting that application in, the link to this job page is in the YouTube description box below this video. But today we have the company Hanger. Now, they have a mantra of empowering human potential. They work in the orthotic and prosthetics department of the healthcare industry, and they are hiring a credit balance specialist. Now, what credit balances are in the healthcare company is when doctors bill out a charge, it is a certain amount, and then insurance payments come in, insurance contractual adjustments come in, patient self-pay payments come in, and you subtract all the payments and contractual adjustments, and that should zero out the account and have it paid in full. Sometimes insurance overpays, or sometimes the patient pays because they don't think the insurance is going to pay, and then their insurance pays, so the patient needs to be refunded, or sometimes the insurance needs to be refunded because they paid too much. Whatever the case is, more payment has come in than the total charges, and so that creates a negative balance on the account called a credit balance. That is what you will be working. They are basically looking for someone to ensure collections of services are provided accurately, timely, fully documented, and make sure the account reconciles correctly and the correct reimbursement practices are followed. You'll have adherence to adjustment, refund, and write-off policies as stated in their operating procedures. You'll be maintaining databases by entering, updating, and retrieving data, and formatting and generating reports. You'll reconcile all those accounts I was talking about that result in a credit balance. You'll respond to inquiries from customers about collection resources. So sometimes you may have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls or send messages to collect on unresolved issues. You'll review and monitor assigned encounters for those collections. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree, although an associate's degree is always preferred. What they do require is 2 years of office administrative experience and a high school diploma or GED. Additionally, they need someone who has strong interpersonal skills, someone who can be a team player, someone with working knowledge of federal and state collection practices as well as HIPAA guidelines. Of course, you need to be able to use a Windows computer, Microsoft Office like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of those things. You need to be able to key 40 words per minute and be proficient with basic math skills. Now, unfortunately, they did not list the pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do state that they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, paid time off, 401k. And as always, if you are interested in doing your own research, which I highly suggest you do, I have included this company's Glassdoor page, also linked down in the YouTube description box for ease of access. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I don't always respond, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.